YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to quick open a butterfly knife. First of all, you need a butterfly knife, and that's all. Just do it like this. You hold it on the safe side on this handle. Hold it. You rotate it twice. Lean it back, in front, and open your thumb like this and back. See? You open it, rotate it twice, lean it back, in front, open your thumb and catch it. Like this. Do it again, just fast, and I'm going to close it now also. It looks awesome, you know? See? Now I rotate it just once, like this. Because that's faster. But it looks cooler if you rotate it twice. You see? There's one time. It's two times. Okay, the quickest possible thing that you can do for opening the butterfly knife is just move your thumb, open it, catch it like this, move your thumb and catch it, and closing the same. And if you practice enough, you can do awesome things. I'm just going to show you it's one trick that I now just showed you, like this. It's always the same thing. It looks cool. I think it's a pretty easy thing to do. It's for beginners, but it's awesome. So, YouTube, thanks for watching and see you next time.